On our way to Alba Restaurante. Have celebration for my birthday.
Birthday.
Yes, thank you. So, andito na kami. There's one there and pwede tayo dun, anak. Okay, we're here. Parking. That's home of traditional Spanish cooking. Alba. Let's have birthday dinner celebration. Okay, let's go. 6 o'clock in the evening. Padilim na. And say hi, mga angels. Okay, so ano daw tinuturo ng dalawa? Yung halaman, yung bulaklak. Yesterday is Mother's Day. So yesterday is celebration for all moms. And today naman is my birthday celebration. Okay, let's go. Alba Restaurant. Dito to sa May Tomas Morato. Guys, oh, ganda ng paligid. Ikutan natin yung restaurant. Let's go. Good evening. Ayan. Ito na. So, ito na yung restaurant. E, nasaan sila? Hi! Iba ang location natin ngayon. Yes! Ibang location. Remember? Doon tayo palagi sa ano. 2 times tayo doon. 2 times. So, eto. This is our first time na dito tayo sa table na to mag-dine. So, Alba. And this is a dinner buffet at Alba. Ito na guys, ayan yung food. So ikutan na natin yung food. Mamaya pupunta natin na it's the Alba, yung kanilang food dito. So, start na kayo. Okay, let's start. What's the soup for today, Kuya? Garlic soup.
Serve na lang.
Okay, serve na lang. Ito, serve na lang. Ayan yung kanilang paella. Paella Valenciana. And this one, paella negra. Ano yung bunso?
May seafood yung paella, no? Bawal sa mga.
Seafood. Tanungin mo na lang ano.
Bawal po dyan yung may allergy sa seafood, no, kuya?
Oo. Sa tingin ko kasi parang mayroon siyang crab. So, bawal ko sa crab. Oo. Dito kaya, ito, pusit to. Bawal ko. Walang para kay Nicole. So, anong para kay Nicole dyan? Kasi lahat ng paella nila mayroong seafood. So, hindi na lang si Ten walang bawal. Ikaw, may bawal ba sa'yo? Anong bawal sa'yo, Yaya? Ang palay ang bawal sa Yaya?
Konti lang po.
Okay.
Konti.
Happy birthday, thank you. Thank you for your greetings. Happy birthday,
Happy birthday, Timers.
Hello. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Thank you. Let's have dinner here at Alba Restaurant. Let's eat. Hello pa, anak na. Kumakain na kami. Sabayan niyo na kami pa. Wala si Papa absent. Papa is absent pero sama natin siya dito. Sasabay daw siya ng celebration sa atin. So I don't know kung saan siya pupunta ngayong araw na. Isang vlog. excited? Hi! Jet, masarap ba yan? Yung mga pinagkukuha mo?
Ito, masarap po.
Yan, yung paella negra. Yung ordinary paella valenciana. Wow, ang daming ano. Ano yan? Belly? Lechon roasted. Roasted pork.
Ito ba yun?
Sarap. Ito, this one masarap, no? Nakakuha ka nito, Yaya? Sarap. Okay. Let's eat muna. Happy birthday! Cheers! Okay. Cheers! Cheers to everyone! Happy birthday to your mama! Okay? Yes, cheers! Thank you for the cake and for my bracelet. And June for the flowers. Thank you. Meron pala rito. Yan na. Hanap ako yan. Mushroom. This one yung sinasabi nila. Okay. Yeah. Ang alat yan. Ito nila. Okay. Parang potato lang siya, di ba? Kakaisa. So, picantis. Titikman ko siya. Ito nakatikim na ako yan. Ito. Yeah. Ito din. Anong sa'yo? Yan. Hindi daw mas... Yan.
Ito po.
Isa.
Isa lang po.
Okay, isa lang. Tsaka ito. Isa. And then cheese. Okay, cheese. What is ito? Okay, Royal.
Talaga kami dalawa lang yung
So, we just share here na lang, Christine. Ano? Ayun. Share na lang kayo. Pantanggal ng umay. So, cheers tayo. Ayan. Cheers, Odette. Cheers. Cheers. Happy birthday to me. Cheers, anak. Cheers.
Ano ang cream relief?
Ano daw ba yan, Tim? Nasa mo in order, anak, yung cake na to?
serving.
Ha?
Serving.
Beef. Rib.
Ito, tita, sir, ba itusok natin?
Ayan, tusok natin siya. Thank you. Remove natin. Thank you, kuya. Okay, where's the candle?
Paano mo daan sa tita? Dito? Ito rin alam.
Okay. Yan sa may, yan, sa harapan.
Tapos bubo ka siya parang...
Okay. Thank you, kuya.
Mga kuitis yan, ha?
Oo nga, akala ko nga.
Baka biglang baka bigla yan mag-ano, ha? Okay. Okay, go, go. Oh, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Mama Mercy!
Uy, what?
Wish, wish!
Ikaw, wish mo na. What's your wish for mama?
More subscribers.
More revenue. Ikaw yellow card.
Maging affiliate sa TikTok.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.
Healthy knees. No humor.
Successful for my kids. More blessings for everyone. And let's shop.
Wow.
Nakasalalay sa visa ni Nicole.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3.
It's my birthday. Thinking about the way it was. You got me begging, begging, begging and begging. I can't stop thinking about the way it was. You got me wishing and waiting, wishing and waiting. It's my birthday. Thinking about the way it was. You got me begging, begging, begging and begging. I can't stop thinking about the way it was. You got me wishing and waiting, wishing and waiting. Thinking about the way it was. You got me begging, begging, begging and begging. I can't stop thinking about the way it was. You got me wishing and waiting, wishing and waiting.
Bato. Floating parks.
Yay! Okay, guys, and we're going home now. Bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye. 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 Yes. Thank you for watching my simple vlog. Bye.